Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. I'm trying to teach you how to passing variable from 1 to 2 means class 1 to 2 in the script within the two scripts. So name this as passing variable. Maybe I'll teach you another YouTube video on passing the two variables within the different scenes, which you have to save data at the same time while playing a video game of some sort. That's a bit more challenging. But so far, I just teach you the most basic passing the variable from 1 to 2 without any changing scenes and saving data. So, just create a new script, C# script, and try to not hit enter as soon try to rename this because you're trying to name it right or else you have to change it inside the script with the same naming as outside from this name and inside down here. Inside down here. It have to be the same name from here to here. Yeah, and then the variable, the only one variable that I'm passing in, it was this one. So it have to be public bool results dot equal false. Well, I want to make it false in the first time pressing it or starting the game only. And result dot equals true. You have to be public to so it's not private. So if it's private, they only down here in this class one. But if it's public, they can put it as a class two as well. If you know how to pass on the variables. And this one is result. It goes down. It's up here. It goes down here. It goes back up here. To know how it works properly, kind of. And then after, create a UR, not 2D object button. And then create empty object. And here, scheme object class 1. It's kind of considered class 1. And put this script down here as an empty game object. This is empty game object to be honest. It's just no 3D object down here or 2D stuff or anything like those underneath the hierarchy and down here. Um, no 2D or 3D stuff. And then that means empty game object. And then button. Oh, I don't put it down here. Um, create a public. It must be a uh, it must be a public void method. Void method is a task, mostly update sub method. Result dot true. This one is sub void method that's public. It must be a public, so you can do this in the end. It's like save. Um, you must click public. So drag this empty game object down here on click button and class. It must this voice method must be in public, so you can pass on the variables as well. And this one must be in public as well. Pass on this variables from top to bottom within within the scope of this open and close parentheses. And then and then create a spear down hierarchy, not the project folder, because you need to. Oh wait, this button is supposed to be 0, 0. So you see the button because it's before it was two bottom and top. As Control Z is back, undo, undo. So it's these two underneath. So I have to put this down here, here. So the hierarchy means is always in the scene. The project is always can be hidden from the scene. That's the difference. So you can create a 3 object spear, for example. But remember, this is the canvas. It's not the really this camera scene window. It's more like a UI window. This one. So I have to zero stuff out to be seen through the camera. Which the main camera is only down here, and the spear down here. Yeah, you can see it. So this changed a little bit more down here and move it down here. And after, plus create another script, C# script, name it class 2 or something. Uh, put this as public. It must be public because you want to put the yeah, I'll explain after. And in this script, this script does not needs to be public or private. Um, class dot one equals to class empty object get component script. So this, so I'm trying to find the empty game object from down here. Just click save. Um, this, try to drag it down here, and you'll see this thing popped out. And you have to put this one on public, so you can drag in here, so I can drag in um this one. Yeah. And also the game object can be the button as well. It does not have to be some kind of others the button class. I already tried it before. Uh, so you call this you call this object is that object down here, then is down here get component script. So it's this one get component script down here. Yeah, so you're kind of passing the variable only without using doing anything yet. So when you start this thing works from here to here, and then public material matte red. I'll choose the red color afterwards, and get component render material equals matte red. So this thing, when you update, when I click this, when I use this one by clicking the button, then it will get matte red if it's true. Um, yeah, but I had to add the true statement by adding class dot one equal result equal. It cannot be equal only. It have to be equal just to get the boolean um asking question kind of thing, not like answering it. And then after else, this one do nothing if it's false. And if it's done, if this one is not equal. If it's not equal, this one it is equal. Then if this one results from this result down here or here, actually it's end here. Um, and if it's true, if I use this one, then it'll be true. Equals is true, then it'll be change it to red. Uh, then you have to put in the match down here material. Just name it material if you like to. It doesn't matter because all it matters is just dragging the material down the spear. Well, you don't create material down here because it does not appear inside a scene. It's not 2D or 3D object. It's a shade or some shader or something. It's a color only. So it's not a object, a 3D object, 2D object. So it should work only once if I click it, the button once. Yeah, it does not go back and forth because this statement it only works if I press once with this one, this together. This is starting and this is after I press it. This challenge to double check if passing the two variables works in the end, which is obviously this one's class 1 and class 2, transferring the variables down here and here. If it's true, then you get red from the class 1 into 2. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Our next video, if I can make it, it was passing variable 2 from changing passing the two variables and passing the variables through the scenes, which you have to save data only. That's the only possibility only, which I have to learn how to save um the variables automatically sometimes without pressing the button sometimes. That's yeah, one thing they have to learn is crazy codes going through everywhere. Yeah, and basically that's it. Yeah, that's the video 2 that I'm trying to make afterwards. But yeah, thank you.